First, we remove the screws next to the wheel. It's the same on the other side. This way the front wheel is removed. When removing the rear wheel, first take out the plug. Tighten with the tool. This way the rear wheel can be removed. When removing a tire, you must first release the air. Pry the tire out with the tire iron. The same operation is done on the other side as well. Hubs are divided into left and right, so you must be careful when installing them. The direction of the tread on the tire can also be either forward or reverse. When installing, first locate the air valve and align it with the slot on the wheel hub before inserting. Then slowly press the tire into the rim bit by bit. Check if the safety lock is within the correct range. Then you can start pumping air. When installing the front wheel, align the screws on the hub with the slots on the front fork. Use the nut removed earlier to lock the washer. Same on the other side. When installing the rear wheel, make sure to align it with the notch in the center of the hub. Reinstall the previously removed screws into the bayonet one by one. Tighten the screws and then install the plug to finish.